Students, today I will discuss with you am, is, are. So many times you just seen that sentences, in between the sentences we will use that am, is, are. So they are having some rules and regulations. So today I will discuss with you that one. Where we will put am, where we will put is, where we will put are. See, am. We use the verb am with the pronoun I. When the only pronoun or sentence start with I, then only we will use I am. I am a girl, I am a boy, I am a student, I am a doctor, I am a cricketer, I am a player, I am Santa, I am Jack, I am Johnny. Like that, if anyone wants to know that who are you, so what you will be there? Answer is I am Johnny. I am a boy. The next is I am a boy. Or I am a girl. So the pronoun is only the I, then only we will put am. When the pronoun only I, then only we will put am. I am a doctor, I am a cricketer, I am a potter, I am a painter. Like this type of words only we will use am. So I am. Only for the I pronoun we will use in after I we will put am. Next you see is. Where we will put is, this is, we use the verb is with singular noun. With singular noun, then with the pronouns, that is he, she and it. After that again we will put use is, that is this, that. See, the first one singular noun, then he, she, it. After that this or that. Means Ramu is a boy. Again I am writing here he is a good boy. See, Ramu. This is a singular noun. Everyone know this one? Ram is a singular noun. Then again see is. So already I told you the singular noun. After the singular noun we will put is. So Ram is a boy. Again you see with the pronouns. With the pronouns he, she and it. See he. I am writing here he is a good boy. Again you see I am writing here after the pronoun. This one is pronoun. I am writing here is. So after the pronoun he I will write here is. He is a good boy. See, Rita is a girl. Rita is a singular noun. She is a tennis player. See, Rita after written here that is, because Rita is a singular noun. I am writing here is. Again she is a pronoun. So she, that is pronoun. So after I am written here is a tennis player. The box is heavy. The box. See. This box. This box is heavy. I am just showing a particular one box. So this box is heavy. See, already written here this. That is a pen. Again I am writing here that. That is a pen. So where we will write that, this, that also we will use for is. If I will write here C dash a good student. So what will be there? She is a good student. Next you see, if I am writing here, he does a footballer. What will be there? He is a footballer. So student, you understand, I think you can understand that singular nouns after the pronoun he, she and it and this, that. So this, after these places we will use is, because is a singular word. Is a singular word. If I want to write here, I dash very happy today. What will be there? That is I am. On first we have know that where we will write I, because this sentence start with I, so we will put here I am very happy today. Next I am writing he dash six years old. So what will be there? He is 6 years old. He is 6 years old. Next you see are. In this are, you know, are, it is a plural verb. Am, it is showing only one. Is also showing one. That means that are singular, but are is a plural verb. When we need to use the more than one thing, so we indicate or we will put there are. See, we use the verb are with plural nouns, with the pronouns you, we and they, and with these, those and there. What I have written here, you see, we use the verb are with plural nouns, with the pronouns you, we and they, and with these, those and there. For this, when we will these things, we will put are. Like you see, we. What is showing here? We means we know not only one person. It is wrong. That means more than one person. More than one person. So when anything is more than one person, that means that will be the plural verb. More than one person, that will be the plural verb.